What's up, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. This video is a method that's working for so few people right now because this is an opportunity where you could take advantage of this opportunity where there's like no competition right here. And if you hop on this, you're going to crush it because this is the next YouTube right here. This is called Rumble. And basically, the make money online niche, affiliate marketing niche, and anything regarding money, this is an untapped traffic source you can crush it with right now is Rumble. So step one, make a Rumble account and start uploading videos to Rumble. Step two is upload a bunch of videos you find that are Creative Commons videos over on YouTube and just upload them to Rumble. There's like no competition here, guys. There's like no freaking channels yet, really. Like there's only a few channels so far. This is a massive opportunity. As you take advantage of this opportunity and go all in, you're going to crush it. Like for example, this small channel right here got 15,000 views. In YouTube, that's harder to do, especially with a new channel. These are Creative Commons videos right here. Okay, these are just re-uploaded videos mainly. And if you just re-upload videos here, I'm telling you right now, you're going to crush it. And you just need to promote. And then if you just link to affiliate offers, you're going to get sales. You're seeing this happen right before your eyes right here. I'm serious when I say there is no competition here on Rumble. Everyone who watches this video right now, everyone who does this method is going to get results. Just like all the new methods I'm talking about on my channel here. So Rumble's a big new platform. As you can see right here, this is SimilarWeb. 121 million people every single month are on this platform. That's a lot. That's a lot compared to YouTube still. Like, it's pretty crazy and it's growing. Now, there's a few routes you could take here. You could re-upload my videos to Rumble. You can just go ahead and download a bunch of my videos and then re-upload them to Rumble. I give you total rights to do that. The other thing is you can download and re-upload affiliate marketing videos, make money online videos, straight up to Rumble. Okay, give credit to the creators and link to their YouTube channels. They're going to appreciate that because you're sending them traffic. And then also link to affiliate offers, such as the Money Accelerator and the Money Generator you can link to, and coaching calls of mine. You can also sign up to be an affiliate for tons of other offers out there on ClickBank and so many other places. If you want to have no issues with this, just go and filter by Creative Commons. You're going to find a bunch of Creative Commons videos that you could just straight up download and re-upload. Okay, all these videos are fine to do that without any issues, but there can be some copyright issues when you don't do the Creative Commons videos and you just re-upload really good videos like these ones. These are somewhat copyrightable, but if you're giving credit to people and you're uploading to the other platform and you're sending them traffic and they see that eventually, they're going to appreciate it. And if they don't, just go ahead and take down the video at that point. But you can get a bunch of powerful traffic from Rumble right now, guys. There's like no competition. It's basically like, you know how they say a needle in a haystack? YouTube's like a needle in a haystack in some ways, but Rumble's like you're putting a bowling ball on a haystack. So you can definitely stand out in this niche on Rumble. Alright guys, here's how you upload a video to Rumble. You literally just go over here, you click upload, and then you're there. And then you just need to literally upload a video file, and then you just say the title, the description, put your links right here, upload a thumbnail here, add some tags if you want to. It's not really necessary, and then you can just make it public, or you can schedule upload it. And it's very simple. It's just like YouTube, but even faster. And this is a big growing platform. It's going to grow, guys. This is where a lot of people are headed towards. There's a lot of attention here. If you're an affiliate for the Money Accelerator and the Money Generator, you're going to get sales with this opportunity. I'm even going to really quickly here in a little bit, I'll upload to my own channel. I'll make a Rumble account and I'll upload a bunch of my videos for the personal brand to Rumble, because Rumble is a big traffic source right now and there's like no competition in the make money online niche, for example. You guys, if you take advantage of big new trends like this and big platforms, you're gonna make money, like for sure. Also, if you haven't heard about the Money Generator yet, it's only $7 a month and this is a powerful offer here. You've got the Money Generator itself, which is basically step-by-step multiple methods inside of it that will get you results, making money with affiliate marketing as fast as possible and as easily as freaking possible. Like it's only $7. Like you could spend money on eggs, on gasoline, on candy, on a coffee bag, on cards, on batteries, but you know, or you could just invest $7 to start making big money online, because the sky is the limit amount of money you can make here. And the sale will end soon of just the $7. So take advantage of this quick. Also, I already threw in 100,000 email leads just as a bonus, okay, which you can market to if you want to one by one, or you can upload into email autoresponder. I don't fully recommend that with cold traffic email marketing fully. Better if you want to do one-on-one sending emails, but it's even better if you do this method and this method to get big results. This is just a bonus right here. And then every month I'm just going to give away $100 to multiple people. And so this is a very awesome offer for you guys. It's going to get better and better. There's a lot of coming soon offers. So a lot of offers inside. I'm going to add a bunch of bonuses over time to add to this, so get ready. Go check out the money generator if you don't know about it yet. So it's very powerful. And then guys, the link to become an affiliate for my offers like the money generator and the money accelerator, you can go here and you literally just say whatever you want here, and then you submit request. Make sure you have a Gumroad account before you apply, and then you are all set to become an affiliate and you can start making money promoting on Rumble and promoting on YouTube and doing all these different methods I'm talking about, which are going to get you guys sales. I already have a bunch of people freaking making sales, and it's freaking awesome. Some affiliates are making around $1,000 a month plus. And a lot more people are going to start promoting and crushing it. You know, the whole world can get these offers, and it appeals to the whole world. So like, you can seriously make serious money doing this and grow an income over $10,000 a month plus. So as you guys do this Rumble method, you're going to start seeing sales. You're going to start seeing traction happening. Go crazy with it. Upload a lot of new videos to Rumble. And you'll just see on the homepage what people really kind of flock to. There's sports. People also flock to kind of political stuff, viral content, of course. You can also make revenue, kind of like AdSense revenue, but it's with Rumble. And you can start building a whole new income with that as well. And so it can get really crazy. But the best thing is affiliate marketing commissions. Just start promoting a bunch of make money online offers if you enter into that niche, or you can enter into different niches. Like I'm telling you right now, this opportunity is a big one right now. Rumble's growing and there's like no competition right now. Imagine if you started uploading videos to YouTube when YouTube first got started. Imagine if you uploaded videos to TikTok when TikTok just got started. The opportunity is right here. Rumble is a big platform growing, and you guys can absolutely freaking crush it with this method. Just start uploading videos and start linking to your affiliate offers. You don't just have to promote my offers. I'm telling you right now, like I link to tons of offers with my affiliate marketing efforts of what I do. And I make like 6 figures a month, okay, with my Cash Cow YouTube channel, promoting a bunch of CPA offers. With my personal brand here, I'm trying to grow it to millions a month, hopefully someday. And I'm trying to grow my personal brand as big as possible. That's the stuff I'm doing. And then paid ads is risky for people, and so I don't really recommend it as much nowadays. But free traffic methods like this can end up making you hundreds of dollars a day and eventually, hopefully, thousands of dollars a day. Upload a lot of good content as you're having views happen, as you're making good thumbnails to get high click-through rates, uploading good content, getting clicks on your affiliate links. You're going to make a lot of money doing this, guys. This is a big platform right now. It's growing. So take advantage of this opportunity. You're going to make money with this method. Let me know when you make money with this method, because I know a lot of people will. And peace out, learning machines. Peace.